Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming root and grabbing the iOS emoji font. This is mandatory because Xiaomi locks system fonts. Once rooted with Magisk, make a full backup, TWRP or Magisk snapshots, so you can revert. Next, download the iOS emoji true type file and either a prepared Magisk module wrapper or the raw font files plus a root-capable file manager. Do this now so you avoid interruptions later. Incomplete downloads or missing root will block the only reliable method. You next install the emoji by either flashing a Magisk module or manually replacing font files in /system/fonts or /data/fonts. If using Magisk, flash the module and verify install logs. Modules keep changes systemless and safe. If doing manual replacement, copy the iOS TTF, set owner to root, and permissions to 644, then update fonts. XML to reference the new file. Once done, clear font caches and dalvik/art cache so Android will load. Finally, reboot and test. You should see iOS-style emojis in apps and keyboards. If you still see empty boxes or old emoji, make sure fonts. XML points to the exact file name, permissions are 644, and owner is root. Incorrect names or perms cause Android to ignore the font. If the system misbehaves, restore your backup via Magisk or TWRP. Remember, this method requires root and careful backups because it modifies system fonts, which is why it's the only reliable way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.